Hello guys, Hector here, and welcome to the tissue box trademark. The tissue box trademark module displays a box of tissues. The box may be various colours, and it might be a cube, like this one, or a rectangular prism, like this one. So, basically what we're going to be doing for this module is figuring out how many tissues we're going to be pulling out in how much time. This relies on the serial number, so that is why I've loaded up 3 separate ones. So, observe the last number, the serial. Its value we refer to as n, so in this case the number is 0. And we're going to find which formulas we're going to use. So, n is 0, refers to this rule, so we're going to be using 4 and 8 to calculate the tissues to pull and the amount of time. So, the sum of all the serial number characters convert all letters to numbers. So that'd be 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 0. And the time we get is total number of modules on the bomb, modulo 10, 1, times 20, 20. The result of this calculation is 0, then you actually have 35 seconds. So, we have 24 tissues with 20 seconds. No, if any result is greater than 150, that means from either of them, modulo the final answer by 150. This applies to both time and amount. After the calculation has been performed, we're going to take the calculated tissues to pull divided by the total seconds. So that's 24 over 20, which is 1.2. If in the off chance this results in a number greater than 5, we should actually pull 1820 because it doesn't want too difficult of a window, basically. Or a completely impossible window. I like the formula though, it's literally just 45. Okay, so we now know we're going to be pulling 24 tissues in 20 seconds. The time limit isn't really relevant, you just need to get the correct amount of tissues within that time limit. So, let's do this. Now hopefully, if we've got that right, we might be waiting a little bit to find out if we got that right. So we got it right. Let's do another example. So in this case, n is 3, and the box is a rectangular prism. So actually in this case it's going to be the same. So we'll be using formulas 1 and 5 this time. So if you use 1 and 5 for both of these conditions, so the formula for the amount of tissues is 10 times n, so we could be pulling 30 tissues. And the time we get is 3.5 times 3, which is 10.5. We could check the ratio here, but it's always going to be 10 over 3.5. In most cases, unless some moduloing happened, which I don't think can happen, because how you can get is 90 and whatever this would be. So this one is always going to be valid. So we're going to be pulling 30 tissues in 10.5 seconds. So let's go. The situation here, this is going to be the same for this one, I think. We can do it for this one as well. We get another cell module. Could we go over the formulas I didn't get to go over, which is going to be 2, 7, and 3, 6. 2 is the number of batteries times the number of force plus 10. That is these two multiply over, then add 10, then multiply by n. 3 requires us to raise 3 to the power of n minus 5. Hence why it's only if it's 6, 7, 8, or 9. Formula 4 we did. So these two. Formula 7 is pretty simple, it's 45. And Formula 6 is also a drug based. Number of batteries plus number of ports plus number of indicators plus n plus 5. So a lot of adding. So hopefully you understand how the tissue box works now. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.